Hi, I am Shubhasish Das. Today we shall discuss about permutation group. This e-content has specially been prepared for our college students, degree part 3. This lecture will help not only the graduate student but also those students who are preparing various type of PG or PhD entrance examinations. Let's start. If f is a function, bijective function between two finite set a to b, then a and b contain same number of elements. The proof is very simple. Bijective function mean 1 1 and 1 2. If f maps a to b is 1 1, then order of a is less equals to order of b. Please check it. If f maps a to b is 1 2, then order of a is greater equal to order of b. You please check it. Therefore, if f maps a to b is bijective, that is 1 1 and 1 2, then order of a is equal to order of b. What is permutation? A be a non-empty set, a bijective mapping on A is said to be a permutation on A. Suppose A is a set containing n elements, then the number of bijective mapping can be set on A is n factorial. What is permutation group? Consider a set A, non-empty set A. Let S be the set of all bijective mappings on A. Then S forms a group under composition mapping. This group is called the group of all permutation on S. In particular, if A be a finite set containing n elements, then the group of all permutation on A is the permutation group or symmetric group and is denoted by Sn. Hence, Sn contains n factorial elements. S3 is a symmetric group of permutation of 3 symbols. S3 contains n factorial, that is 6 elements. S4 contains 4 factorial, that is 24 elements. S5 contains 5 factorial, that is 120 elements. Let us consider a bijective mapping on a finite set containing 6 elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 onto itself, and is defined as 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 6, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 1, 5 goes to 5, and 6 goes to 3. See here, a chain looks like a chain. 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 6, 6 goes to 3, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 1. And the element 5 goes to 5 itself. In this case, we say the permutation sigma fixes the element 5. If you follow this chain, the above chain, each element 1 2 3 4 5, 6 comes back after a certain unique step under sigma, and it makes a cycle. We denote this cycle as this. Here 5 goes to 5 is not considered to be a cycle. In this case, sigma has only one cycle. We denote this permutation as this or as this. Both are same. Again, let us consider a bijective mapping tau from that finite set 1 2 3 4 5 6 onto itself, and is defined as 1 goes to 5, 2 goes to 4, 3 goes to 1, 4 goes to 6, 5 goes to 3, 6 goes to 2. We see here a chain, 1 goes to 5, 5 goes to 3, and 3 comes back to 1 again. Another chain, 2 goes to 4, 4 goes to 6, and 6 comes back to 2 again. In this case, tau has 2 cycles, right? One cycle is 153 and another cycle is 246. We denote tau as this or this. So what is the definition of cycle? A permutation row on a finite set containing n elements is said to have a k cycle or a cycle of length k if there exists a distinct element I1, I2 up to Ik belongs to that set 1 to up to n, such that I1 goes to I2, I2 goes to I3, and up to Ik goes to I1 again. A 2 cycle is called transposition. Now we calculate how to compose two permutations. Consider two permutations f and g, then their composition GOF and FOG are also permutations, as the composition of two bijective mapping is bijective mapping again. Let us consider an example. Let us consider f is equal to an example, this bijective mapping, and G is equal to this bijective mapping. Then GOF is this. How? This is very simple. See, 1 goes to 4, okay, and 4 goes to 1. Therefore 1 goes to 1, okay. Now 2 goes to 1 and 1 goes to 3, therefore 2 goes to 3, okay. 3 goes to 5 and 5 goes to 4, therefore 3 goes to 4. Similarly, 4 goes to 5 and 5 goes to 2. Here is a picture GOF. Similarly, we can calculate FOG. Notice that GOF and FOG are different. Therefore, SN is not a commutative group or abelian group for n greater or equal to 3. Odd and even permutation. A permutation is said to be even if it can be expressed as the product of an even number of transpositions, and odd if it can be expressed as the product of an odd number of transpositions. Identity element. In every symmetric group Sn, there is an element in Sn which sends each element to itself, that is 1 goes to 1, 2 goes to 2, up to n goes to n, is said to be identity element. What is disjoint cycles? Consider two cycles in Sn. We say these two cycles are disjoint if their corresponding sets have empty intersection, right? The cycles 2, 4, 3, 5 and 1, 6, 8 are disjoint cycles in S8, whereas 2, 4, 5, 3, 2 and 1, 8, 3 are not disjoint. Order of a permutation. Let rho be a permutation on a finite set S. The order of rho is the least positive integer n such that rho power n, that is rho compose up to rho n times, is equal to identity. Here is a very important theorem to calculate the order of a permutation. The order of a permutation is on a finite set is the LCM of the lengths of its disjoint cycles. Okay, let's calculate. Consider a permutation this. We can write it as product of two disjoint cycle. Here we see that this permutation can be written as two disjoint cycles of length 3 and 2. Therefore, from the previous theorem, the order of this permutation is LCM of 2, 3 is equal to 6. Okay, again consider an example of a permutation. We can write it as product of two cycles also again with lengths 2 and 2. Hence its order is LCM of 2, 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, the order of this permutation is 2 and order of this permutation is 6. Here is an important note. Okay. How to find the order of the permutation in S10? Okay. For this permutation, write it as product of disjoint cycles form. Okay. So the first permutation can be written as 1, 6, 2, 4, 7, 3, 5. Hence the order of the permutation is LCM of 2, 3, 2 is equal to 6. The second one, this permutation can be written as 1, 7, 8, 2, 4, 6, 9, 5, 3, 10, whose order is given by LCM of 3, 5, 2 is equal to 30. We shall discuss this problem in the next lecture. and in the next lecture we shall discuss more problems related to order, number of elements of certain type in SN conjugacy classes and its order, etc. Thank you.